Hey guys, second fan of the night. This is an SMC Laguna. Does that have a model on it? Are these a KB-52 or what do they call these?
They call these,
I know I call them a 24 karat gold Laguna, but they might have other names.
I don't. Oh, here we go. Let's see if I can get. Yep, KBG-52.
KBG-52. There's a G for gold.
Yeah.
Okay, good to know that. So it's got the variable speed, so we already know how it's going to do. It's reversible with the pull chain. Anything else to say, Metal Pete?
Not really, other than...
I'll tell my story, I guess. You ever see one of these as a kid?
I'm sure. Oh, I know I have, but just can't remember where. I know...
So I saw the brown and brass version as a kid, and I've talked about that a lot. My first time seeing one that was in gold, or for that matter, all brass. I don't know if they even made it all brass, if they were all just gold. But my first time seeing this version was when I found one at a thrift store. I was probably 18. I'd moved out of my parents' house and into my first apartment, and there was a thrift store right down the street that I used to check every day that used to have lots of ceiling fans. And I found this there, and it was so dirty I thought it was brown, and then I cleaned it up and it was gold underneath. And that's the one that's in the museum.
Okay.
One of my first fans in my collection as a not an adult. I was, 18, so barely an adult. I could have even been 17. I moved out when I was 17. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Well, I set it to low, so it's actually, the low trim is probably set too low. So I'm going to start...
For testing purposes, too low is better than too high.
Exactly.
Because you can always find the spot.
Okay, let's see what it's drawing. 0.37 amps. 21 watts and half a power factor. I mean, that's fine because then I can find the low speed position. I mean, this is not bad. Let's go up a little. Yeah. Work with this, I'm going to just inch up.
It's a little noisy on the variable speed.
It is. Yeah, there are just some that are noisy, even with variable speed inside. Okay, so 0.64 amps is what it's drawing.
Funny how much faster it is when we balance the blades. It was going a lot slower with the blades off balance.
Yeah.
It really adds to the drag on it. Good airflow.
Yeah, sure
Did
is.
you say K55 category?
I would put it there, just into it.
I think so.
Just into it, yeah. Or is that even the... Okay, now it's flying. It's flying like it should. So 0.65 amps, 76 watts, and power factor 1.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was like 97. I call that power factor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything 0.95 and up, you can round up.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'll do spin down with this one.
The loud cruncher strikes again. The ceiling fan villain. Beware the loud cruncher.
Okay.
So, where do you think it's going to start?
Well, actually, you got to do reverse.
Oh, right. These are reversible. I forgotified that because so not all of them are reversible, but this one is. There you go. Noisier in reverse, or am I making that up?
Oh, it's noisy. I can hear it. Okay, and it's actually got a higher current draw. Check that out. It was 0.65.
Yeah, it was.
But that's like 7.78. Yeah, so... Yeah, it's definitely a different coil. Wonder if that's a different motor coil for reverse.
Oh, well, I mean, that's the way these work, is you use one coil for forward and one coil for reverse, unless it's the kind that you switches polarity of the coils.
Right. Okay. All right. Some of these.
Where do you think it's gonna start?
I think it's gonna start on 3. I'm gonna go a little higher this time. I don't know if it's. What do you think? I'm going with 3.
I'll go with 4 then.
All right.
I don't think it's gonna be 2, but I could be wrong.
Okay. I didn't think 2 would. 1, 2, no. 3, no. 4, nope. 5. Wonder if they're just a little stiff.
They could be. They didn't seem that stiff, but the spin down was fairly quick.
Yeah, and I just got it going on 6, so there's some stiff bearings going on in there.
Oh, was that 6? I thought it was 5.
Yeah, I forgot to announce 6.
Oh.
I just saw it move, it going to the point where it'll actually keep going.
Yeah.
All right, 7. I mean, it's like going on a functional low and it's already drawing like almost 0.4 amps.
Yeah.
So that's another thing. Here's 8. 9. 10. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and here's 20. Okay, I'm almost there with high, so there's 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Let's see if I'm right at high. 28, 29, 30. Yeah, it's just starting to creep over, but nothing too bad. Let's just see if I... See, not really going over. It's only going over by a tiny amount, like a 1/10 over.
On what, 20?
Over 20, like best
Yeah.
25. It starts to go over by a little bit. And even when I go up a few, it stays. It doesn't really, draw much more current. Yeah, it really doesn't draw much more, so. Alright. Well, actually, we already did solid state.
We did.
So I'm going to do 0 to high.
Always a good time for 0 to high.
Yep. 6, 4. Okay, so really no inrush.
You didn't put a bulb in there, did you?
No.
Okay. Well, I guess that's everything for this one, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we got plenty more fans for you.
Yep.